This is the box from outside. So we can see we can blend, max blend, chop, puree and mix doughs and other things. So let me take out one by one everything of the box. And after taking out everything, I'll explain a bit more. This is the manual. So you can see we have a recipe book here. There are 23 quick and easy recipes in this book. Suppose how to make veggie burgers, how to make chapatis, kebabs, and all other things, smoothies, mixed vegetables, salsa, you can see. So this book is really helpful. And this is a warning. The warning paper say the unit is not intended to crush ice. The lid may disengage from the processor bowl, crushing the unit to shut off. So you cannot crush ice with this machine. And another warning for this machine. And this is another booklet, instruction, manual. Let's keep aside. This one is this adapter. I take everything out and then I'll explain. This is door blade. It's made of plastic. And this one is the main jug. So you can see it has a blade inside, stacked blade, and this blade you cannot replace with other blade. Comes with this package. There are about 4 to 5 blades. So to open this, we need to push this button. So I'll show it later. Let me take out all the parts of the box. I'll fix this later. This is slicing and grinding disc assembly. This one 700 ml cup, single serve cup. It comes with Pro Extractor blade. This one is food processor bowl. Keep it here. This one is Spout Lid for this cup. And we have this one. These are all about. Nothing else inside. This is motor base. It comes with power cord. It has power cord. These are all things. So I'm gonna explain a bit more all of this. Please keep watching. First of all, this is the main motor base. The total weight of this product is 4.3 kg, and this is the main motor base. You can see there are 5 different functions. 5 different functions are, this is for blend, max blend, chop, puree, and mix. And low, medium, high, and pulse. So as this is Auto IQ pulse, if you use this button, it will work as pulse. It will work automatically, and you can put in medium, high, or low, and there are other functions, other 5 different functions, as I explained already. Okay, and the cable is not too long. I can show you the total length of the power cord attached with this motor base. So this is the length all about. This is the length all about, you can see. Okay, This is the length all about. Okay, I put aside. So where it is stuck with the surface, wherever you put, you can put the cable like this here. When you finish working with this, and this is the back side. It's not too heavy, but it's quite heavy. It's not very. I put aside this one, and single serve cup, extractor blade, and this one spout lid to use this with this cup. It's quite long, looks very nice, and strong acrylic plastic. So, and this blade is to use only with this. So you cannot change this blade with other, like this food processor bowl or this big jug. Okay. And to mention, this motor base is 1200 watt and 21,000 RPM. And let me explain this one. Okay. To part foot pusher, lift to remove, twist to separate parts. Okay. You can twist to separate. This is for smaller item to put in the hole, to push with this one. And if you take this up, you can push with this one as well. And you can see the arrow sign here. You need to push this button. You see here the button here. You can push this button this side to open this lid. Okay? And you must be careful when you replace this blade. These blades are very sharp. Open with care, contains loose, sharp blades. Keep jar upright when opening. You can see the warning. It's here. Okay. And this is the only bowl you can use all of these blades. So you cannot replace 1, 2, and 3. These blades cannot be replaced with this jug. The stacked blade, the long blade, comes with this jug, and you cannot replace this one. So even you cannot use this one here or this one there. So this long sharp blade is for this big jug. Okay. This is chopping blade. Actually, you can chop many things like vegetables, onions, other things, potatoes. And when you replace this blade, dough blade, you can make dough actually here. And let me keep aside this blade. This is the sharp blade. This dough blade is made of plastic actually. It's not sharp, so you can see this dough blade. But you must be careful when you handle with this sharp blade. This is stainless steel and yeah, it's really sharp. And the other disc blade is one side is for grating and the other side is for chopping. You can't replace this blade with this adapter. This adapter is for this blade. So you need to put this adapter first and then you can replace this blade for chopping. And this side is for, I believe this side is for chopping, yes. And the opposite side is for grating. And you must put this lid before you must follow this arrow sign to lock this lid. If you do not lock this lid, the motor will not move. So you need to lock this properly to use it. Otherwise the motor will not move. Finally, let me explain this one. It's quite big, you see. This is 2.1 liter. 2.1 liter, we can measure here. Big jug. You can make smoothies, I think, yeah, and you can blend many things. I'll show you in my another video how to set up everything and how to use these all functions, and I will process some food. Okay, as I have told already, you need to properly lock this lid before you can use on the top of this motor any of this. If you do not properly lock, the motor will not move. It's not gonna work. This button, you need to push this button to open this lid. So you can open it now, and you can take off this blade before you take off the processed food out of this jar, and replace it again and properly lock it. Yeah, it's locked now properly. Okay. Now let me show you. Yeah, it's locked now. Now I'm gonna power it on. Plugged the power in, and let's see. It's quite loud. Okay. Yeah, it's sometimes stopping, sometimes starting, sometimes moving, and sometimes not, because it's when I use this button, I mean the pulse one is gonna move automatically. It will take sometime rest and sometimes start again. Let's see now is I'm doing now. It's really noisy. Let's see max blend. Very loud. It's now again. Okay, this is. Okay. Let me switch off. Now I can replace or exchange. Now this one is replaced with the disc. Okay. So suppose the lid is not locked properly. You can see now, if I switch off the power, it's not gonna work. Whenever I'm gonna lock this properly now it's working. Now I can use this one. So I can see it's gonna work with 3 of these buttons. The first one is for chopping, and the second one for puree and mix. So for example, if I'm doing some chopping, then I can do like this. The disc blade inside now, I'm using the disc blade with the adapter. Let's see what's happened. Yeah, okay. It's pulsing, auto pulse, auto IQ pulse. Okay, let me stop now. Okay, in the next video, I'm gonna process some food, and I'll make another review video with this product. Thank you for watching.